From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
India Butter Chicken Masala. Butter chicken, known as murg makhani in Hindi, is one of India's most beloved and iconic dishes. Its rich, creamy, tomato-based gravy and tender chicken pieces have made it a global favorite. The origins of butter chicken are deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of Punjab and are linked to the creativity of a legendary restaurateur. The story of butter chicken begins in 1947, during the tumultuous period of India's partition. Kundan Lal Gujral, a chef from Peshawar, now in Pakistan, migrated to Delhi and opened a restaurant called Moti Mahal in Daryaganj. At that time, tandoori chicken, marinated and cooked in a clay oven, was already popular, but Gujral faced a problem. Leftover tandoori chicken would dry out by the next day. To avoid waste, he devised a method to reuse the chicken by simmering it in a rich gravy made with tomatoes, butter, cream, and aromatic spices. Gujral's creation was an instant hit. The tangy tomato gravy, enriched with butter, makhan, and fresh cream, perfectly balanced the smoky flavors of tandoori chicken. The dish was named murg makhani, buttery chicken, and became a signature dish of Moti Mahal. In the 1950s and 60s, butter chicken gained fame in Delhi's culinary scene, attracting politicians, celebrities, and even foreign dignitaries like Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, and Richard Nixon. In the 1970s and 80s, as Punjabi cuisine spread across India and the diaspora, butter chicken became a staple in Indian restaurants worldwide. Today, chefs experiment with versions like smoked butter chicken, vegan alternatives, using paneer or tofu, and fusion twists, such as butter chicken pizza or pasta. Perfect balance. The dish combines spice, tang, creaminess, and smokiness. Versatility. It pairs beautifully with naan, roti, or rice. Comfort food. Its rich, velvety texture makes it a favorite for celebrations and cozy meals alike. Kundan Lal Gujral's innovation not only gave the world butter chicken, but also influenced other dishes like dal makhani and paneer makhani. Moti Mahal is still operational in Delhi, and butter chicken remains a symbol of Punjabi Indian culinary excellence.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.